How to follow people on Roblox. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So let's just jump right in without any further ado. First thing you do is open up your Roblox and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you want to follow your friends, then it's quite easy. All you have to do is find your friends that you have on your friend list and then tap on their profile. And you should be able to follow them from here if you tap on the three lines. And you have option to customize their name, unfriend them, and block them. And if they have allowed the follow or they have created a public profile, then you should find a follow button here. Unfortunately, this person has not, so it's not possible. But let's say if you want to follow a video game creator or any other creator on Roblox, then you're going to have to find the game that they have created or directly search for their profile if you know their username. So let's say if I go to this game right here and scroll down a bit, I'll be able to find the developer's name. So what I'm going to do is tap on this and then tap on the developer's name again. And there is an option to join community, but this is not an individual creator, so there is no option to follow. But if there is a game that was created by an individual developer, then you can easily follow them. So here is one of the game that is created by an individual creator. So what you're going to do is open up the game, drag this up, and then scroll down, and here you'll find the developer's name. Just tap on it and you'll be directed to the developer's profile, and you can see their profile status as well. They have 53 friends, 136 followers, and 0 following. So if you want to follow them, simply go ahead and tap on add friend option, or if you just want to follow them without adding friend, tap on the three lines and then tap on follow. And once you've done that, now you're successfully following this creator. So if I refresh the profile, it will increase the follower count. So as you can see here, I have an unfollow button, which means I've successfully followed this person. And there you go. That's how you easily follow someone on Roblox. If you found this helpful, give a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you on the next one.